Welcome to 1026 Carraway Lane in the heart of RTP. This beautiful townhome is located in the Creekside at Bethpage subdivision. It is a 55 plus community and it has the most amazing amenities. Nestled in RTP's esteemed 55 plus enclave, this single-story ranch-style townhome offers resort-style amenities. With ample storage, a 2-car garage, and lawn care included, it blends convenience with luxury. As you enter, be charmed by the open floor plan that seamlessly connects the spacious dining area to the bright kitchen. A large center island serving as the heart of the home and flowing perfectly into the family room. Enjoy the tranquil, light-filled sunroom, ideal for sipping your morning coffee. Retreat to the expansive owner suite featuring a tray ceiling and bay window. The ensuite bath includes dual sink vanity and custom tile shower. Guests will appreciate the privacy of the front guest bedroom and the adjacent full bathroom with a tiled tub surround. And the laundry room offers direct closet access to the owner's retreat. Step outside to the back patio and enjoy the low-maintenance backyard. The backyard can easily be fenced in for added privacy and safe space for pets. Community amenities include a clubhouse, gathering spaces, game rooms, fitness center, barbecue areas, resort-style pool, dog park, tennis courts, and so much more.